Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 logo designers you can find on Fiverr. If you're looking for a professional logo for your business or personal brand, these talented designers are worth considering. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Our first logo designer on the list is Kairachel 451. Kairachel 451 offers a range of professional logo design services, and its portfolio showcases its creative and unique approach. Their attention to detail and ability to capture the essence of a brand truly sets them apart. Many satisfied customers have praised their professionalism and timely delivery. Next up, we have Shalene George, another talented logo designer on Fiverr. Shalene George specializes in designing professional business logos with copyrights. Their work exudes elegance and sophistication, and they have a reputation for delivering high-quality designs that align perfectly with their clients' visions. Moving on, let's explore the impressive work of WePerfectionist. WePerfectionist is known for its ability to create visually striking and memorable logos. Their portfolio showcases their versatility, from minimalist designs to more intricate and detailed concepts. They have consistently received positive feedback from clients who appreciate their dedication to excellence. Our fourth logo designer on the list is Marioland. Marioland specializes in creating beautiful and professional logo designs. Their portfolio is filled with a wide range of styles, allowing them to tailor their designs to each client's unique requirements. Clients have praised their ability to bring their ideas to life and their prompt communication throughout the design process. Last, but certainly not least, we have Mertranscendence, a logo designer known for their minimalist approach. Mertranscendence's minimalist logo designs have a clean and timeless aesthetic. Their ability to create impactful designs using simple elements has garnered them a loyal customer base who appreciate their sleek and modern style. And there you have it, the top 5 logo designers available on Fiverr. Each of these designers brings a unique style and skill set to the table, and their portfolios speak for themselves. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator, finding the perfect logo is essential, and these designers can help you achieve that. Don't forget to check out their Fiverr profiles and reach out to them if you're interested in their services. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've had any experience with these logo designers or if there are any other Fiverr designers you'd recommend. Until next time, take care and keep creating.